Hello, I bring today advanced Map2Earn tutorial. So let's try to see how long it takes to make a good map. So as you see, we point the floor and we enter this reality. So then we are in the right place and we are leaving the first pyramid here and start mapping. We do the surround of the pyramid first, so it's the first stage done. And then we will focus on these hexagons between the middle of this surrounding the center one. So let's focus here. So in this way we are getting all the surrounding and a little bit extra outside of the surrounding of the center. So this is the way that I found to map very easy with a high scores and in a good average time, like 2 or 3 minutes maximum. So as you see, it's very easy. So you focus only in 7 hexagons, the center one, and these 6 surrounding the between 2 are in the center. So as you see, then we conclude the mapping. 500 pictures almost. It's perfect. We did the video pad, and then we can scale it and we see that the center is here. So it's pretty perfect. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Could be in 2 minutes maybe. So this is the advanced way to make Map2Earn. Hope you like it. Give me a like, ask your question. It's always welcome. Have a good day.